welcome back to my channel. So it has been a couple of months since I've just sat down with you and done a good old fashion haul video. Ever since coming to Hawaii, I have kind of hauled just a couple things that I wanted to just sit down and show you guys. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should, because usually when I get packages in the mail or I buy something at the mall, I'll go on Instagram Live and I'll do either a mail unboxing or a haul video. So if you want to see like quick snippet hauls, definitely follow me on there. And also, if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and just join the fam. I upload frequent videos just about lifestyle and school and all that fun stuff. Right now I'm living in Hawaii, so I'm having a lot of fun giving you guys Hawaiian based content as well. And if you guys like haul videos, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up just so I know to make more of these. But yeah, I guess we're gonna go ahead and get started. I kind of have a few different things in this haul. I have some Ulta, Forever 21, Urban, Lush, Bath & Body, so a very good mixture. Alright, so to start off, I ordered some stuff from Ulta, and I actually hauled from Ulta in my last vlog too, I believe. I love Ulta. It's just a really good all-around beauty supply store, and they don't have it here in Hawaii, so this stuff was ordered online. I got a good combination of just random things. A lot of this stuff is drugstore, so it's super affordable. But starting off, the first thing I got is one of these Spanx 3-in-1 portable razors. I have been hearing so much about this lately, so I'm really excited to get the chance to try it. And this is basically a razor for you to use on the go when you don't have a shower or a bathtub right next to you. So it comes with a pre-lather bar, and then all you do is just take a refillable water bottle and you put it on your skin and then lather your skin with the bar that comes inside of it, and then you shave. So that's what I've heard is how you use it. I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up now and show you guys. So as you guys can see, it comes with this refillable squirt bottle that you use just to spray your skin, and then you twist it, it has the lather bar right there, and then you just twist it and you're given a razor blade. And I believe there is actually, yeah, there's a second razor blade on this too. So you have two different razor blades. This thing is so essential, especially for someone like me. There have been so many moments that I've gotten to the beach and I've just like missed a spot or something, and it's just weird having a random patch of hair on my leg. So this is gonna be really awesome. I'm actually gonna go ahead and just slide it over there so I can put it in my beach bag when I'm done. Alright, so next from Ulta, I just ordered a variety of drugstore makeup products. A couple of these things are repurchases, and then a couple of them I am trying out new. So repurchased the e.l.f. complexion brush just because I lost my last one. This is a really good all over face brush. I repurchased my Essence eyebrow pencil. This is amazing. If you are buying like Sephora brand or just really expensive eyebrow stuff, stop and move over to Essence because it's like $3 and their stuff is amazing. That's what I use for my eyebrows and I love it. Next, I got the Neutrogena Shine Control Primer. This stuff is amazing, especially if you have like kind of oily skin. A lot of times I'll get primers and my skin will look so oily no matter how much powder I put on top. But this stuff does a really good job of making sure you don't look all glossy and stuff after the application. And then the final repurchase was this Maybelline Dream BB Cream. This stuff is amazing. I can't even count the number of times I have bought this. It's really good, and you can also like use your hands and it blends in perfectly if you don't have anything else to apply it. And then the last couple of things I got from Ulta are actually like my first time trying them. I've tried two of them and they are amazing. So first, this Essence Prismatic Highlighter. Oh my gosh, you guys have got to try this. I think it's only $4 or $5. It's super cheap, and it's like a stick version of a highlighter. I must say it's kind of loose in the container, so I could easily pull this out, but just be delicate with it if you get one. And I just like apply it right here and just blend it in, and it is amazing. And then I got this CoverGirl Clean Professional Powder. I actually have not opened this yet, but I was just kind of looking for a new loose powder, and that's what it basically looks like. So I'm sure it'll be a good product. I love pretty much everything CoverGirl has. And then finally, I'm so excited about this, I got the ColourPop Double Intendre, is that how you say it? Double Intendre eyeshadow palette, and this is amazing. So first of all, the packaging is beautiful. It's like rose gold, and these colors, you guys, are drop dead gorgeous. So as you can see, it's a neutral palette, but like me, oh my, the colors are just so incredibly vibrant. Teddy Bear, this one right here, is amazing. I've been using it for my lid. Alright, so something you guys probably do not know about me is I love Urban Outfitters. It's like one of my favorite stores, and back home it's pretty far from me. If I want to go to Urban, it's like a 25-30 minute drive. Here, you guys, I walk past Urban at least twice a day because it's like on this street that I have to use going to work or pretty much go to anywhere. So I go into Urban a lot, and I'm usually really good about not buying anything, but I did pick up two things that I just had been eyeing so much, and I finally just decided to treat myself. So this first thing I showed you guys on Instagram, it's one of those old-fashioned like makeup boxes, and I forgot the name of it. I'll put it right here, but I had one of these when I was younger, so it just brings back so many memories. It's like so cute. I think it might be like a caboodle, and as you can see, you just open it like this, and it's like a little train case. It has the 2 little drawers, and then it has all this space down here. So I'm saying screw the makeup bag. I'm just going to be using this from now on, and it's really awesome how much makeup it holds. Definitely a lot more than your typical makeup bag, and it was literally only like $10. And then I had been eyeing this for such a long time, but I just have so many purses already that I felt like I didn't need to get it, but this is just, it's amazing, and I've been getting so much use out of it, so I'm definitely glad I got it. But I got this really cute circular nautical inspired purse. As you can tell, it's very, very beachy looking, just with the whole rope and the tan going on, but it's awesome. It holds so much stuff. So I had been using a really big bag to go to work, and it was kind of inconvenient, but now I've just been bringing everything in this. I believe they also had this in black and pink, but you guys should definitely check this out if you're looking for just a cute casual summer bag. You can actually dress this up and down, which is another reason that I really like it. Alright, so yesterday I had so much fun, and I filmed my Instagram followers control my life for a day. If you have not seen that video, you should definitely go check it out. I will have it linked below. But one of the places I went in the video was Lush. I love Lush. I don't usually splurge on their soaps just because I think a lot of it is kind of like overpriced, but their bar soaps are so worth the money. So obviously you guys were the ones that picked this, and I'm not gonna lie, I was really glad you guys picked this one over the other one. But I got the Honey I Wash the Kids soap, and it's just a very little bar because there's only so much soap you need for like a couple months, you know? But this is what it looks like. It has the little like honeycomb or whatever. I don't even know, is this real honeycomb? I don't know. It has the little honeycomb on the side of the soap, and then it just smells so sweet, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my bathroom just so I can have something different in there. But you guys, I had so much fun in Lush yesterday. Oh, there's like another piece right here. I had so much fun in Lush. Huge shout out to the girls that work there, because they were so sweet and just showing me everything, and it was a good time. Alright, so next I went to Forever 21, which you can never go wrong at Forever 21. So I got just a couple of like really simple little pieces that I will be able to wear a lot. So first they had a ton of these kind of like tighter fit shirts. So it's just like a little mini shirt, and I think it's supposed to be a crop top, but it's not cropped on me, so I don't know. I guess I just have a small torso, but it's just this cute little gray crop top. It might show a little bit of midriff, but this is super cute. And then I also got a pair of, I've already been wearing these, but these blue little sleeper shorts are just really cute. It gets so hot here at night, even with my AC on. So these are perfect just to sleep in, and I could probably like wear these to the beach too if I wanted to. I also got just a really simple white bodysuit. It's just kind of like a halter style, goes around the neck, and it's just white. It's a very like stretchy material, if that makes sense, and that's why I like it, because I feel like I'll be able to actually breathe in it. It almost feels like a bathing suit. Alright, and then the final item for this haul is actually from Bath & Body Works. I have not shopped there in such a long time, so I had a lot of fun going in there. I feel like they always have so many new collections out, but I got this Malibu Heart Ultra Shea Body Cream, and it's amazing. I feel like, did you guys just see that? I tried to literally smell it through the bottle. This is amazing, but then again, I feel like everything in there just smells so good, but this is a very good summer scent. My skin dries out so quickly in the summer, so I lather this all over me like pretty much twice a day, when I wake up and when I go to bed. It's so good, and it smells amazing. Alright you guys, so that is basically it for this haul video. I did want to give Spanx a huge shout out for sponsoring it. They did send me that 3-in-1 shaver bar, and I'm so excited to use that. It's literally something that like I've been wanting. I didn't even know those things existed, so when I had the opportunity to work with them, I was super excited. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. It really does help us YouTubers. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great summer so far. I've been having a lot of fun talking to you guys on Instagram, so hit me up on there if you ever want to talk. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!